In a country where economic opportunities are limited, cybercrime has become a frequent means of survival. According to the EEFCC, 80% of all Nigerian criminal convictions in 2021 were linked to cybercrime. By 2024, the Nigerian government began taking major steps to curb these crimes. Evidence suggests progress. Nigeria is sending a clear message. No one can hide behind a computer screen forever. If you're facing online blackmail or sextortion, Blackmail.HelpLine can help. Call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com for immediate, confidential support.